Zelle deactivation in Wells Fargo is an important process that completely disconnects your bank account from the Zelle payment network. When you deactivate Zelle, you permanently stop your ability to send or receive money through the service. This is fundamentally different from temporarily disabling the feature. As of August 2025, Wells Fargo provides three convenient methods to deactivate Zelle from your account. Before deactivating Zelle, there are several important preparation steps you must complete to avoid complications. Complete all pending transactions first, as shown in this example, where a payment is waiting for the recipient to enroll. Next, inform people who regularly send you money, set up alternative payment methods, and consider downloading your transaction history for records. Understanding these fundamentals ensures you can make an informed decision about deactivating Zelle and properly prepare for the process. There are three ways to deactivate Zelle in your Wells Fargo account. You can use the mobile app, online banking, or call customer service directly. The mobile app method is the most convenient. Start by logging into your Wells Fargo mobile app, then navigate to the Transfer and Pay menu where you'll find the Zelle option. Once in Zelle settings, look for the Manage or Settings option, then select Deactivate or Unenroll. You'll need to complete security verification to confirm the deactivation. The online banking method follows similar steps through your web browser. Access Wells Fargo online banking and navigate to the Transfer and Pay section. Find Zelle in the menu, go to Account Settings, select the Deactivation option, and complete the verification process, just like in the mobile app. The third option is calling Wells Fargo customer service at 1-800-869-3557. This method is helpful if you prefer speaking with a representative or encounter issues with the digital methods. Simply request Zelle deactivation, provide your account verification information, and confirm the request with the representative. Before deactivating, remember these important points. Your registered contact information will become available for use with other banks, and reactivation typically takes 24 to 48 hours. Make sure to complete any pending transactions before deactivating and have alternative payment methods ready for future use.